Alright, so we're making a quick trip to Hobby Lobby. It's been about a month since they had their clearance sale. So this Hobby Lobby is about 30 minutes away from me. It's the closest craft store that I have near me. So I doubt they have anything left, but their yarn is 30% off, and I do need to pick up. I want to make something with some of the clearance yarn that I bought last time because I didn't buy very much of it. I'm going to see if they have any left. I have to pick up a few more balls of it. Olivia, my daughter's with me, but she won't be on camera. So I'm going to turn the camera back on when we get inside. Alright, here we are. Hopefully the music's not too loud that I have to take it out. Ooh, they got some new colors of hand-dyed yarns. These are always really pretty. I always like these. They've had these. They're so pretty. Beautiful. So their yarn's 30% off this week. Ooh, I like these two. Too thin for me though. Oh, they got little bonbons. Look at this. I love bonbons. I love this yarn bonbons. What's this one? I love this yarn. Okay, so these are a little bit bigger than these. And then they have a neutral pack. Cute, cute. Alright. Let's see what else we got. What's this? Never seen this before. This is kind of like, look at that. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Caroline latte cakes, but definitely not as, it's really soft though, actually. That's pretty. I might maybe get some of that. Maybe not, I don't know. I guess it's very similar to this one. Yeah. I'm not seeing any more orange tags, but I didn't figure I would, so. Sparkly velvet. That's pretty. Lazy Days from Lion Brand. I like this yarn, but I already have some at home. Let's see. Smooth Move. Microfiber. That's pretty. That's soft. I like that. See that? I haven't seen some of these yarns before. I don't come here enough. It's like my second time in like 3 years that I've been here. This stuff's really pretty. I've always liked this. Soft and sleek. Beautiful. Yarn Utopia. Ooh, that's soft. Let's see. 100% acrylic, number 2 weight, huh? It's very soft. Seen the finesse before. I'm not seeing any of the yarn that I need. They probably clearanced it out because they're not getting it anymore. That's okay. I'll just have to use a different yarn. I've had that before. Alright, let me now this is their I love this yarn. All this stuff. They got pretty much any color that you can think of it. It's not a bad yarn for a value yarn. I don't usually do only, well, I don't even have any of it. My favorite's Premier Basic, but there's nothing wrong with this one either. I just, like I said, I don't go here enough to it's pretty rainbow. Yeah, they got cleared out of clearance yarn. Wasn't me. Let's see. This is like Caron Simply Soft. Okay, let me see what's in the. What's this stuff? Easy going. It's pretty. Feels good. Acrylic Polyamide Blend number 4. Huh. Let's see what they got over here. Look, I found a red tag. How can I pass that up? Make a cat bed out of that or something, but I probably won't get it. I can't believe I found one red tag after a month. I'll probably pass on it. Let's see what else we got here. Soft and sleek baby. Huh. Hobby Lobby has really nice cotton. Kind of reminds me of Walmart's cotton. Walmart mainstay cotton, but with a lot more varieties. Let's see. That's soft. Let's see. It's nice. Fundamental cotton. Looks like it's got that different spin on it. Z spin or whatever it is. Pima Suprema. I like this. I got, they had a really pretty burgundy on clearance last time. I got that to make Evelyn a dress. I like Pima. It's nice. Oh, let's see what else we got here. This is all their cotton. The shelves are pretty empty compared to usual. Beautiful. No, they don't have the yarn that I need. I don't see it. Unless I'm missing it. I like their Must Be Merino. It's a pretty color there. What's this? Is this clearance yarn? I'm gonna have to find somebody and ask. Oh my, look at that. I'm gonna move this card over so I can see. Here, let's see. Nature's a Nook. I love that brown color. 54 acrylic, 28 lyocell, 18 flax. That's cute. Well, see, they never have enough of the same color to get what I need. How many balls of this stuff they got here? Let me look around. Let me turn the camera on for a second. Oh my gosh, look at these little thread things. Hand-dyed thread. I can't use thread, but that's adorable. Maybe that'd be good for a giveaway. I like little bonbons for some reason. I'm just so addicted to them. Aww. This is so cute. Well, here's a small clearance section. This is the same color. A Pima Suprema I got from my daughter. I'll just grab these other three since no one bought them. And it's been a month, I might as well just get them. And I'll probably grab this blue cotton as well. That's probably all I'll buy from over here. Let me go get my card real quick. This stuff's really cool, but I just don't know. Oops. It's pretty neat looking though. You know, this Hobby Lobby never had any of these on clearance. I've seen a lot of people's Hobby Lobbies did, but this one didn't. I guess it just depends on where you're located. Well, I'm gonna get this. This is the only color I think it's enough. But the only color they had enough of to make what I want to make. Beautiful. I like the color though, it's very pretty. It's a 50 cotton, 50 viscose. Lightweight number 3. 250 some yards. 2, 4, 6. I got 7. I hope that's enough since it's a lightweight 3. I guess I have this gray. It's not bad either. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those. Maybe I should get that to be on the safe side. Alright, well that's all I'm getting. I just came here to see what they had left. And hopefully they had some of what I wanted, but they didn't. So I settled for. I'm just going to go ahead and take a chance on this one. And then I got these That was all left of clearance that I wanted. 7 rolls of cotton. Well, 4 kicks and 3 rolls. So, like I said, I still can't believe they had any after a month. There's some new yarns though. They're pretty cool. But for me, I think I'm out. I showed you the other hand dye yarns, so they're pretty. But too lightweight for me. Other than this chunky stuff. Pretty, isn't it, Liv? Alright, you ready, Liv?
Yeah.
Sorry the trip was a little boring. I didn't really plan to come here, but they didn't have, like I said, what I needed anyway, so. Pretty empty. Maybe they'll be filling it with new yarn. Lots of pretty stuff though. Soft.